तो जैसा कि आपको पता ही होगा, हमारे चैनल पे PYQ सीरीज़ चालू है। उसी PYQ सीरीज़ का चैप्टर नंबर 3 प्लांट किंगडम के क्वेश्चन आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे। अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो अगले पार्ट का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले पाने के लिए। और यह इस चैप्टर का लास्ट पार्ट है, मतलब पार्ट 2 है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Question number 1. Incorrect statement are: Statement A. Since Moses from dense mats on the soil, they reduce the impact of falling rain and prevent soil erosion. Statement B. The plant body of bryophytes is more differentiated than that of algae. It is thallus-like and prostrate or erect and attached to the substratum by unicellular or multicellular rhizoids. Statement C. Many species of Spirogyra, Vaucheria and Chara are among the 70 species of marine algae used as food. Statement D. Majority of the red algae are marine with greater concentration found in the warmer areas. Statement E. The common phaeophytes are Polysiphonia, Porifera, Gracilaria and Gelidium. Statement of bryophytes and pteridophytes interestingly exhibit an intermediate condition of life cycle, haplodiploidic, in which both phases are multicellular but they differ in their dominant phases. Option 1 C, Statement C and E. Option 2 Statement A, B and F. Option 3 Statement B, C and F. Option 4 Statement B and D. Correct option 1 Statement C and E. Question number 2. Select the correct statement. Statement 1. The gymnosperm are homosporous. Statement 2. Unicellular female gametophyte of gymnosperm is retained within megasporangium. Statement 3. In gymnosperm, males and female gametophyte do not have an independent free-living existence. Statement 4. Gymnosperm reduce the impact of falling rain and prevent soil erosion. Correct option 3. Question number 3. Which one of the following is not an ecological importance of most plants? Option 1. Some mosses provides food for herbivorous mammals, birds and other animals. Option 2. Very low water holding capacity of mosses is useful for transshipment of living material. Option 3. Mosses along with lichens are the pioneering organism to colonize rocks. Option 4. Mosses from dense mats on the soil and reduce the impact of falling rain. Correct option B. Very low water holding capacity of mosses is useful for transshipment of living material. Question number 4. Different plant groups exhibit varying life cycle with alternation of generation involving both gametophyte and sporophyte phases in distinct forms. Statement 1. The life cycle of fucus in haplontic. Statement 2. In bryophyte, diploid sporophytes is totally or partially depends on the gametophytes. Option 1. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct. Option 2. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are incorrect. Option 3. Statement 1 is correct and Statement 2 is incorrect. Option 4. Statement 1 is incorrect and Statement 2 is correct. Correct option 4. Statement 1 is incorrect and Statement 2 is correct. Question number 5. In bryophytes, the gametophyte stage in photosynthetic and free living, whereas in pteridophyte, the gametophyte is not free living and depends on photosynthetic sporophyte. Choose the correct answer from the following. Option 1. The statement is true for bryophytes but false for pteridophytes. Option 2. The statement is true for both bryophytes and pteridophytes. Option 3. The statement is false for bryophytes but true for pteridophytes. Option 4. The statement is false for both bryophytes and pteridophytes. Correct option 1. The statement is true for bryophytes but false for pteridophytes. Question number 6. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion. The first stage of gametophytes in the life cycle of moss is protonema stage. Reason. Protonema develops direct from spores produced in capsule. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Option A is not correct but R is correct. Option B, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option C, both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option D, A is correct but R is not correct. Correct option B, both A and R are correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 7. Read the following statement and choose the set of correct statement in the members of Phaeophyce. Statement A. Asexual reproduction occurs usually by flagellate zoospore. Statement B. Sexual reproduction is by oogamous method only. Statement C. Stored food is in the forms of carbohydrates, which is either mannitol or laminarin. Statement D. The major pigments found are chlorophyll A, C and carotenoid and xanthophyll. Statement E. Vegetative cells have a cellulosic wall usually covered on the outside by gelatinous coating of algae. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1 A, C, D and E only. Option 2 A, B, C and E only. Option 3 A, B, C and D only. Option 4 B, C and D only. Correct option A, C, D and E only. Question 8. Arrange the following stage in the correct order based on the life cycle of pteridophyte. A. Spore mother cell undergo meiosis to spore in sporangia. B. Zygote formation through fusion of egg and male gametes. C. Release of male gametes antherozoids from antherdia to the mouth of archegonia. D. Germination of spores into prothallus, a small multicellular gametophytes. E. Multicellular, well-differentiated sporophyte emerges as the dominant phase. Select the correct sequence. Option 1 A to D to C to B to E. Option 2 A to B to C to D to E. Option 3 B to C to E to A to D. Option 4 A to D to C to E to B. Correct option 1. Question number 9. Seed produced plant vary significantly in their reproductive structure and whether or not their ovules are enclosed in an ovary. Statement 1. Gymnosperm do not produce fruit. Statement 2. Ovules of gymnosperm are enclosed within the ovaries. Option A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option B. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Correct option C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 10. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. In gymnosperm, the pollen grains are released from the microsporangium and carried by air currents. Reason: air currents carry the pollen grains to the mouth of the archegonia where the male gametes are discharged and pollen tube is not formed. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1 A is false but R is true. Option 2 both A and R are true and R is not. R is the correct explanation of A. Option 3 both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option 4 A is true but R is false. Correct option D assertion is true but reason is false. आई होप आज का वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में, तब तक के लिए थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।